Hello guys, to use OpenAI API inside Node.js application, first of all, we need to go on openai.com. Inside openai.com, we need to click on API and inside API you will find docs. So once you open this docs, you will find at left hand side the libraries, and inside libraries you need to click on Node.js library. So as you can see that to install OpenAI API in Node.js application, we need to install this in OpenAI. So as you can see, to use to use OpenAI API inside Node.js, we need to use this OpenAI package. So I will copy this. Here I have created one small project. Inside we have this package.json. Okay, so we can install our package now. I'm pasting copied package. Enter. Yes, as you can see, this OpenAI package has been added inside the package.json. Now, as you can see inside this library, they also provide us one snippet of code also. So to run this code, we'll create one file, let's say index.js inside the project, and I will copy that snippet and paste inside index.js. Now, as you can see, we are importing OpenAI from OpenAI package, and we are using this OpenAI to create a instance, and inside this instance we need to pass OpenAI key. As you can see, currently we are passing OpenAI key from process.env.openai API key, but currently we haven't set any process variable since this is totally new installation. So I will put OpenAI API key here. So if you don't know how to create OpenAI API key, I will provide link of it inside the description. Feel to check that. So I have already copied the OpenAI key. I will put it here. Okay. So after API key, we have this chat completion constant over here, and they have provided some code. We need to modify this for simplification. So I will remove await, and I will convert this chat completion constant into the function. Okay. Now the thing is that currently the content we are passing is, say this is the test, but we can change this content according to our need. We can see say hi, and then we need to call this function. Okay, so this is the function which return the promise. So for that, what we can do is like we can call this chat completion function, and then after that we'll use then, and whenever this chat complete function result, we'll get response, and we can directly console this response. Okay, so I'm saving this code. Now I'm running this code node.index.js, and as you can see, we got the response. We got id object created model choices. So inside the array of choices, we find a message. So to get the message, we need to update this response using response dot choices dot. Since choices is the array, we need to fetch first element, and inside that we have message. So as I have completed this one, I will run this once again, and as you can see that we find content as hi, how can I assist you today. So whatever the message, so whatever the thing we want to ask inside the content, we need to put here, and this API will help us to fetch answer for this. So this is how we can use OpenAI API inside Node.js. So you can update this also. You can pass the content from this function, and according to that, you can use it inside your project. This is the simplest implementation possible.